goes. He's backing up.
What is that sound? What is that sound of the couplers?
Yeah, they're banging together
Why?
because there's a little bit of play in between them.
Hmm.
So when they move, they bang. If he goes back the other way, they'll bang some more.
Is he behind us now or not?
Yeah, that truck's sitting there watching us. It's okay.
Yeah. Are they loaded up? Because they look kind of heavy.
I don't know if they're loaded or unloaded.
Oh, wow, he's moving kind of fast. Oh, that sounds like a stop.
Gonna stop again, I think.